Amukira githisha kwa hare hothe uragitwa mukira ni ngatho nduhititie mitambo ni Kiheo TV thiini wa mohoro maitu maria tunanagia wega Kiheo Kabiru Thaa Imwe ni njitagwo Wairimu wa Wanjiru mutwathiri na njira ya ciko etagwo Sharon mwari wa gicuhi tariki ni 25 nditikiria turike mohoro-ini maitu twambire na riboti ya kuma kuria Narok. Aikari a Narok ni makineire mutongoria wa bũrũri Ndagĩtarĩ William Ruto iria kuhingũra tabarĩra itiganĩte mwena ũyũ ari hamwe na thoko na barabara ya kilomita 59 ya kuma Enegetia nginyagia Olopo Simoru. President augĩte barabara ĩrĩa irako mwena ũyũ ni kurehe kana ni kuhuthia mithiĩre na ningĩ kuhotithia arĩmi gũkinyia irio ciao mataũni-inĩ. O ningĩ augĩte thogora wa bataraitha na mbegũ cia kũhanda ni ũkũgũa.
Leo ni siku ya historia ambayo tumeona barabara ambayo umeunda. Your Excellency, sio hii tu ndio umefanya kazi mingi. Kama vile umeambiwa, hiyo uwanja karibu iishe. Na tunataka kukuambia tumeshukuru kama watu wa kaunti ya Narok.
Mimi nimekuja hapa tena kwa sababu nyinyi watu wa Narok North muliniuliza ya kwamba nyinyi munataka hii barabara yenu ya Enegetia kuja hapa Olokurto kupanda hapa kwenda Olopo Simoru iende iungane mpaka ifike kule Nakuru. Sasa sikizeni my friends, nilienda nikawatafutia pesa shilingi bilioni 3. Contractor ndio huyu. Barabara kilomita 59 sisi tunawatengenezea. Tunaelewana jameni? Tunaelewana? Na ni kwa sababu hii sehemu nyinyi ni watu wa bidii. Nyinyi ni wakulima sugu. Nyinyi ndio mnatuzalishia chakula. Ngano mnazalisha, viazi mnazalisha, mahindi mnazalisha. Nyinyi ni noma si noma bwana. Sindio? Sindio mnatupatia chakula Kenya? Nyinyi ndio mnatusaidia kufukuza aibu ya njaa katika taifa letu la Kenya. Na sababu hiyo, hii barabara ni barabara ya muhimu sana. Kwa sababu itawasaidia kulete yale inputs ya farming na kusaidia nyinyi kupeleka mazao yenu katika masoko. Si watu wengi walikuwa wanaongea mambo ya Mau. Si hii Mau imefanywa siasa miaka nyingi. Mimi niliwaambia ya kwamba Mau haitafanywa siasa tena. Hii Mau sasa tumetoa title deed ya Mau, iko mali ya watu wa Narok County. Na iko na title deed yake. Hakuna mtu atakanyaga Mau tena. Na ile wananchi walikuwa wanaishi hapa karibu wote tumewapatia title deed zao na tumetoa title deed ya Mau. Sasa Mau iko secure. Ile kitu tutaendelea kufanya ni kuweka fence maneno ya Mau, kwa sababu Mau ni ya muhimu, inatuletea mvua, inatusaidia mambo ya mazingira. Vile vile niliwaambia mambo ya Kedong. Mambo ya Kedong mimi nimemaliza. Nimetoa ekari 10,000 nikasema iende kwa wananchi wa hapa Narok na muendelee na mali yenu.
Nareo igoti ria Mombatha ni rirekereirie murigitani wa gikiro gia clinical officer thutha wake gukorwo agikwirwo kunyita kia hinya murwaru thibitari-ini wa Pandia Memorial. Mucirithania Lucas Onyina augite gutiuma na wira muiganu wa kuonania ona kana murwaru ucio ni akoretwo oka thibitari-ini ucio.
The truth has come out. I want also to appreciate my lawyer, Mr. Wangila, and the team for the good work that they have done. So all glory and honor to God.
We respect the judgment issued by the court. However, we are disappointed because our client never got a chance to testify as she passed on before the trial. And the main issue of consideration was the issue of consent surrounding the case. And so we are looking forward to receiving the full copy of the judgment for us to see any loophole that we could address in appeal, because we still are within the law to appeal within 14 days.
Leo ni siku mbaya sana kwetu kama wakereketwa watetezi wa haki za kibinadamu. Chembelecho wakili anaposema tuna respect ile judgment, lakini inatuuma sana. Manake kilifanyika, ndio mahakama imeshaamua, lakini sasa itakuwa mambo ni haya, familia inasikia namna gani? Sisi kama wakereketwa tunaumwa sana leo na ni uchungu, lakini tutaappeal na tutarudi nyuma. Kwa hivyo bado havijaisha mpaka kieleweke. Asante.
Na arutani aria mathomithagia ciana iria na mawathe kaunti-ini ya Laikipia ni maheanite mukana wa kuiga mirothi makiuga TSC ni iramahuthia makiaria mari tauni-ini ya Nyanyuki. Marauga TSC ni yagite kumatangikira na gutia maundu maria marairie na President William Ruto hindi ya makiri thingira-ini wa iregi.
Honorable Speaker, allow me to thank the honorable members of this House for the overwhelming support that they gave to this petition and this motion. And Honorable Speaker, as we support the adoption of the Public Petition Committee for the petition number 76 of 2023 by Robert Junuha Wekesa regarding discrimination by the Teacher Service Commission on career progression guidelines for special needs education teachers in Kenya, which was tabled on the 19th of November 2025. And Honorable Speaker, that highlighted the discrepancies in the grading of SNE teachers despite the 2017 job evaluation and 2018 career progression guidelines, CPG. This matter affects teachers serving learners with disabilities in special schools nationwide, demanding urgent parliamentary intervention. Honorable Speaker, the Teacher Service Commission admitted before the committee that the job titles in the payroll and those in the career progression guidelines of 2018 have been aligned for special needs education teachers, attributing this delay to the government's payroll system and undergoing reconfiguration to facilitate migration to a new platform.
We are here as special teachers, feeling that whatever was given to us rightfully in the year 2018 has not been implemented. Our two grades, the one grade awarded by the president, we are still waiting for it. He did it with very good faith, but to date we have not received it. We have a feeling that our employer is taking advantage of us because we are very few in the country, in our counties, and there is nothing we can do about it. But as special needs teachers, we are few, but we are not weaklings that we cannot fight for ourselves. Yes. We are out here today to fight for our grants, our arrears. We need that money because we have worked for it. In the Parliament, petition number 76 of 2023, it was adopted by the Parliament, and they recommended that we should be paid within 6 months, and our years captured in that. So we are here, we are not moving backwards, forward forever. We are demonstrating, and very soon we are going to down in our tools. We are working out of those classes.
Nega though kinya utwa kinya jitikiria tuko tugikiria orohani tuko tugicokereria.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Uri muithia kana mundu ungienda ndumiriri yake ikinyire makiri maingi ma Kenya, we niwe turenda araniria na ithuĩ umuthi kugerera 0758 87904 ni 0758 08487904 na nĩ ũgũteithĩka. Kiheo TV, kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Ewe niwe ndirera we kawira kau gaku o investiire miaka iyo yothe ri umuthi uyu ngoma angiariria turi anime moke magukua indo ciaku ungika atia kana ungiambirie kumacaria na miguu ta njege tatengera kuria gwa Kimuma engineering system umere makuonia CCTV cia kamera ciraiganirira muhaku. Oho ni makoragwo na electric fence materials razor wire cia green na cia silver. Ni makoragwo na access control system ira cia kuhinya fingerprint ugitonya, intrude alarm system, na no makoragwo na indo ciothe cia mwaki nginya fire extinguishers. Oho no makoragwo na solar panels na ni makoragwo nginya na ihingo automatic kuhinya ka remote oguo wira ni muingi tawa gutinda kung'ang'ana na ngeti. Ni mahetwo ngerenwa nyingi muno. Nduka ciao cikuria Nairobi CBD macamanĩrio-inĩ ma Kamae na Gaborone Road. Showroom yao ĩ hau Nyandarua House ground floor. Nduka yao ĩngĩ yao ĩrĩ kũu Nyandarua House second floor room 204. Nduka yao ĩngĩ harĩa Gaborone Plaza ground floor number G1. Na kwa kũrĩa Kasarani nĩ harĩa Max Plaza kũng'ethanĩra na Kasarani Police Station. Ona kana no macarie na thimũ 0793494949 kana 0793949494 kana 0793595959. Gitĩra wĩra waku na CCTV cameras kuma Kimuma Engineering System. Twaririe
Kuru wa Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving toekaine nĩ kũruta matereva a gĩkĩro kĩa igũrũ marĩ na ũigĩrĩrĩki mũnene barabara-inĩ. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving turutanaga utereva wa ikiro ciothe. Class A ni utereva wa fikifiki na tuk-tuk, Class B utereva wa gari nini, Class C utereva wa marori na Class D ni utereva wa gari ya ukui wa muigi. Urutani witu wa utereva ni wa kurumanirira na mutaratara mweru wa NTSA na warikia kothi tugaguteithiriria kwigira na smart driving license. Ni undu wa uhoro makiria ndukamairirie gutucerera wabici-ini citu Rwesambu nyumba-ini ya Jewel Complex gorofa ya gatano barabara-ini nene ya Thika Super Highway kurigania na TRM kana utuhurire thimu kugerera 0703 164003 0703 164003. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving, drive with confidence.
Reke tuge nĩ mũirĩtu na mwanake manjagia tugaga from zero matarĩ na kĩndũ, so indo icio mũtumia na mũthuri ũcio magĩa me kĩhiko-inĩ, indo icio nĩcio ciĩtagwo matrimonial property.
Landlord na landlady na tenant ni makubaliano, it's an agreement na you are bound by the terms of the agreement. Hiyo makubaliano yenu mlikubaliana aje, rent itakuwa inalipwa aje, itakuwa inalipwa lini, itakuwa inalipwa kwa account gani.
Kugure mũgũnda kĩndũ kĩa mbere itia copy ya title thikure kwa lands registry weke search, but thikũ ici maũndũ nĩ makorwo digital, thikũ ici search cirekwo online through sasa.
Absconding ni kuga terere ninafaa kwenda koti kesho lakini sitaenda juu sitaki kwenda. It's not, unaweza kuwa mgonjwa, hiyo inaweza eleweka, but absconding ni ile unakataa kwenda juu without any good reason.
Sexual assault toginya ikorwo ni gĩko kĩu gĩa sexual, no gikorwo ni ugo waiga tumitugo tutari twega gatuma mundu ucio ngi atuike uncomfortable.
Nĩ mũthenya wa kanaga kiumia thaa 2 nginya thaa 3 cia hwaĩ-inĩ gwa Kiheo TV, kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Nigatho ni twarikia gugicokereria oro ingi na tugithi na mbere anyititemi sector-ini ya githomo ni morite thirikari kwimbiria mutaratara wa CBE niguo gutigirira ni gutina gikorwo na kihinga oro giothe mathomo-ini ritana rikitio hindi ya kuhingura Global Path International College mwena wa Nyari uria unyitanire na university tiganite mbere ya arutwo mathiite guthomera university iria mabũrũri-inĩ ma nja ta UK, Australia na Canada.
And taking into account that they are making that education more accessible, more affordable by reducing the...
We are saying that the youth should be organized from the household. So in each and every household, we want to bring all the youth together through family by solidarity so that
and taking into account that they are making that education more accessible, more affordable by reducing the time by a third where the student is going to stay in Europe. That means they are cutting a significant amount of financial burden on the parents of the students. And we are in a way generally saving as a country on these funds going out on education. It would be very short-sighted for somebody to say that they would not embrace this institution, especially if the particular pathway a student is interested in is available or on offer through this institution here. It is going to be a great blend between the competence-based education we have and splicing it on to the education institutions which are there in Europe and Australia.
More often than not, when students cannot make it to high levels, they are forced to go abroad for the foundation year program. And it turns out to be quite expensive for them. Not to mention that a good number of them are quite young for parents to be comfortable to send them abroad. So Global Path International College is an alternative to A-levels. It allows students to do 2 semesters before they proceed to study abroad. So at Global Path International College, we are there to support students and parents achieve their academic dreams.
Nao ayuthi kuma Migori ni moritio kuhimbiria urimi udumwe na uramati wa mbaria maturigiceirie ni undu ukite hindi ya ayuthi aya kuma kundu gutiganite marehetwo hamwe ni gikundi kia mulo kiria kiraheana mathomo kuri ayuthi aria nao magukorwo makinyita itemi nene hari urimi gutambia ugi ucio kuri arimi angi.
we are saying that the youth should be organized from the household. So in each and every household, we want to bring all the youth together through family by solidarity so that they can engage. We have youths who are also supporting the food co-op markets. We have youths who are selling milk, who are selling eggs, who are selling airtime in our food co-op market. So this is also providing them with an income as they are also growing. So about 100 youths were involved, with around 60 youths coming from outside this region and 40 youths coming from Migori County. So we have around 67 food cooperatives where all the representatives have come here. And the reason why we are focusing on the youth, because youth have the energy.
Actually, we have learned a lot and exchanged ideas in so many things that we were just talking about over the phone. And yesterday, not even once, not even our comrades alone, we were with them. We tried to mingle even with people outside who are telling us and teaching us about the digital platform on which will help us to grow. I've learned that we have to focus actually in the indigenous seeds that we have, the things that our parents used to plant over the years back. That's what we should rely on.
We are supposed to create the jobs ourselves through the farm labor solidarities that we do. We're supposed to work together as a team, and also we are supposed to protect our environment because we are the future of tomorrow.
Farm labor solidarity is really good in terms of I myself, I do volunteer. I call out youths, even if some of them are really hard to do that, but it requires a lot of patience, a lot of compassion, a lot of love in doing what you're doing. So what I'll urge the youth that don't wait to be pushed. Just have a self-control. Your self-esteem should be high. You should have growth in mindset. And lastly, have confidence in yourself. You know, you ask for the youths, we are the leaders of tomorrow.
Na tugicenjia gia ni ati makiria ma ateng'eri 300 kuma Kenya na mabũrũri tũrigainie nĩ matanyĩtwo kũnyita itemi macindano-inĩ ma mahenya marĩa magatabanirio Eldoret kaunti-inĩ ya Uasin Gishu mweri tũrorete tarĩki 19. Macindano maya marakuruhania anake na airĩtu kuria no ateng'eri a Gwena nĩ magakorwo magĩcindana na arunao arĩa marĩ na mĩaka o ta ĩyo.
Altitude games is, of course, the term just tells you that there is an aspect of altitude. So we know that the city of Eldoret is known for bringing out champions and world champions, people who have defied even things that people didn't think was possible, like running a marathon under 2 hours. Okay. The other thing is that Eldoret is high. It's roughly around 2,100 meters above sea level. So if you're coming from a place like Nairobi, Kisumu, which is 1,100 meters, there is something that you have to overcome. Nairobi is around 1,700 meters around there, so we are well seated to develop ourselves when it comes to exercise. Now those guys have to deal with altitude. What does altitude do to you? It makes exercise be challenging. It will make breathing bit harder. Your muscles, you have to work even harder. You have to know how to pace yourself. So altitude games is, we are exercising and competing in a high altitude area, known to be a city of art champions, and bringing in other different components of fitness. We have different categories. We have made it be inclusive. So this is something that is happening outside Eldoret. Nairobi guys are hosting these competitions and doing them. So for us here, we have the elite athletes, we have the scaled division. Okay, so 5 categories. Those are 2. The other category is masters elite and masters scale. So what is masters? Masters is 40 plus years people. These are people who are shown and continue to show that age is nothing but a number and really want to push their limits when it comes to exercise. And then lastly, we have the teams. So teams division will have 4 individuals, 2 males, 2 females, competing against other people.
Nĩ ngatho na twakiuma iharo-inĩ hatikĩrĩ ũndũ ũngĩ tũkũhera mĩrigo hau no tũtiohete kaimana tũgũkorwo tũgĩcokereria wona ciarĩkia kwĩhanda thaa 3 ngetĩka Wairimu wa Wanjiru mũtwathĩrĩri na njĩra ya ciĩko etagwo Sharon Mwarĩ wa Gĩcũhĩ thiĩ na mbere na gũcagũra Kiheo TV.